Hello, welcome to a new video. Today I will show you how to see someone else's calendar in Outlook. So first I'm going to open my calendar app here. So basically it is a very easy and simple process. All you have to do is to go to your calendar app and go to your setting. In my case it's the top three bars in the top left corner, and what you have to do is to simply add your or add their email in the settings, and you will see their events or tasks or their calendar in your calendar app. Like I have all these emails here added into my calendar. So that's it. Like and comment the video if it helped you, and subscribe the channel for more. Thanks.